TULIP is a community-based engagement and interventions to stem the tide of antimicrobial resistance, spread in the aquatic environments catalyzed by climate change and plastic pollution interactions. At the heart of Europe, Lake Stechlin becomes a living laboratory. Here, the €6 million Horizon Europe project TULIP confronts three converging crises: antibiotic-resistant bacteria, plastic pollution, and climate-driven extreme. German and Italian scientists skim the surface for micro and macro plastics, then rush their catches ashore. In the field lab, the samples are filtered, cultured, and scanned for the genes that turn ordinary microbes into superbugs. Colleagues from the Philippines join a fast-paced workshop, mastering every step, from sterile sampling to DNA barcoding, skills they'll soon deploy in Manila's flood-prone rivers. Back at the bench, fluorescing stains reveal antibiotic-resistant colonies hitchhiking on plastic shards. Each data point feeds TULIP's open-source models that predict where risks will surge next. From lakes to megacities, TULIP is building a global front against resistance, plastics, and climate impacts, turning science into action.